so excited to talk to you because you're like this badass boss lady that's like done all these amazing things. Can you just tell us how you got here, how you started, a little bit of your story?
I was a traditional Wall Streeter for a long time. So did the whole, private equity, asset management.
Franco, thanks for coming in today. Can you just give us a little background on your story?
My personal story. I grew up in the Philippines, moved to California with a single mom and a younger sister. Came from a very poor family. It was very tough.
It's Jessica Pringer, who's married to Mitch Pringer. And if you guys don't know who Mitch Pringer is, then you're living under a bridge.
We're all just naturally dehydrated, just from life. Like you don't even realize how much you sweat at night when you're sleeping.
I buy businesses by and large, and they're like bonds. They just kind of cash flow.
I feel like if my dad still supported me then, I would have just gone to school, just done a regular job. But now looking back at that time, I know for a fact if that didn't happen, I wouldn't be who I am today.